Okay, so this is a little something I've been working on here. Um, what what I was trying to put together here is a vacation time request, and where the way I have it set up right now is here is Jane. Jane is she wants to request time off. Her boss is Lacey. Okay, so what we're going to do is Jane is here. This is in Jane's Outlook too, by the way. This is the actual vacation, the calendar on the SharePoint system. But this, we're actually looking at Jane's Outlook. So what Jane can do, she's already seeing the vacation time request calendar. It's the same as this one right here. She has it available in her Outlook so she can see when everyone is taking off work. Of course, there's no one taking off work. And now she wants to request some time off. So, if she has her calendars overlap, she can click on that and say she wants to take off Christmas Eve and Christmas. She can highlight those two and click on New Appointment. And then, of course, she could also select the start time and start date there, and then select the all-day event there. Now, down here at the bottom, you can confirm that you are in the request calendar. So she is going to request time off. And then she clicks Save. So what this is going to do is you now see it says time off. If we look over here in this calendar, because this doesn't update exactly real time, so we're going to refresh this page, and we're going to see time off pending. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to come over here and I am going to drag this over here just so you can see. This is mine. I'm logged in as myself. There's the picture of me. You can see time off pending. I also have this in my Outlook. I'm not going to show you that, but it's in my Outlook, and I can see time off pending. If I click on this, it will tell me that it was created by Jane. And again, it's pending. Now, we don't want to mess with this because this doesn't work. But we're going to ignore that that's there. Now, we can see this right here. So, what we're going to do now is I'm going to come back over here to my Outlook. And a while ago, if you heard the noises in the background, first of all, I got a notification from Microsoft Flow. And then I also got an email. So here is the email from Microsoft Flow, and I can either approve or reject. Right here from this email, I can click on approve. When I do this, I can type in a reason. And that kind of comes in handy when you're rejecting it. And then I'm going to click on submit. And it shows that I've approved it. And that was all done from within Outlook. Okay, now you hear all kinds of stuff going on. So what you're hearing is, and you can also see it right there. So what happened here, and it's going crazy because of all the emails. So you can see right here at 4:30, 4:33, that's just then, it says my request or Jane's request for time has been approved by Lacey Moore. Details, if any, are provided below. And it says approved by Lacey Moore. That's what I typed in. And once I approved it, what happened is, and I will show you that over here, Okay, so we're going to refresh this because this one is just the calendar, the request calendar, or the vacation calendar. Yeah, there we go. This is actually not named correctly. And the reason it's not named correctly is because I've got the pending and approved on here now. So you can see that time off was approved. Again, this really, and I'll probably make some changes to this, this needs to say the person's name in here, and it doesn't right now. At first I was typing that in manually. So now over here in Outlook you can see that the time off is approved. Now over here I've added the time on it. So if I come over here and I get rid of, now we're just looking at Jane's calendar. What happens is it also turns around and adds this into Jane's calendar. I still don't have this exactly the way I'd like it, because I'd like, when it goes onto this, I would like it to show time as busy instead of time as free. And I'm going to just to be able to, I don't know if I can. Can I turn off this one? Yes. Okay, so what I'm looking at here, this is the same as this calendar right here, and it says time off is approved. Now, one other thing that I did was I came in here and okay, I haven't deleted these from earlier, but what you'll see is that that it adds an entry into the company. Now, there's some issues with this time. I don't really, it depends on how you do time. If you're doing, say, if Jane wanted off Monday and Tuesday, that really should be an all-day event. And maybe there's some logic in there to fix that. I'm not really sure. That's some of the stuff that would have to be kind of, I guess you'd say, modified or customized according to what, basically what the goal is there. But anyway, that shows it, and basically what happens is that Jane requests it, and it's set up for, one of the things that Active Directory has is where you can put in managers, and Jane's manager was set up as Lacey beforehand. So the system knew that Lacey had to approve it, so that's why it was sent to me, and I approved it, and it came back as approved. And that's a really good way to handle vacation time requests. And then also we've got this calendar here where it's stored for everyone. And then we've still got this group calendar that we can do some stuff with as well. But anyway, I just wanted to put this out there, and this is some of the stuff we can do. This is all using Office 365, and if you think your company might need something like this, give me a call, shoot me an email, and I will be more than happy to work with you to get this set up.